guys, welcome back to my channel Dazzling Lotus. This is Shamsi Anis with you guys, and I am back with another exciting video for you guys. Today's video is about the most hyped, the most Instagram, the most talked about, it's all over the internet, which is the bottle art. So I had like 2-3 concepts inside my mind for decorating my own space, which I wanted to share it with you guys, but then I thought everything clubbed together in a video will become like a lengthy video. So I just decided to make into like different parts for this video. So this will be the part 1, and there will be a series of bottle art followed by this video. So I hope you guys will enjoy this bottle art series. So without any further let's get into the video. Before getting into the video, please make a point to subscribe to my channel, because I see a lot of unsubscribed viewers than subscribed viewers. So please make a point. If you enjoy my content, if you keep coming back to my channel to see my video, please make a point to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. So let's get into the video.
So to begin with this bottle art, you definitely need a bottle and some colors, some baby powder, glue, the brushes, sponge, and any container or anything to mix the color. So the first thing is I took 1 tablespoon of glue with 1 tablespoon of black color, also 1 tablespoon of baby powder. Why am I adding baby powder is I don't want this acrylic colors glossy finish to my base. So just to get rid of that acrylic color glossy finish, I'm adding little bit of baby powder to it. If you like the glossy finish, you can just mix the color with the glue, that's it. So I used a sponge to apply the color to the bottle. To get this thick base, I applied at least 3 coats of colors to it. So once I finished that, I started off with outlining my design to it. So basically the design I'm following here is a girl face with some flowers and green leaves on it. So I went on with the face base. Next thing is I switched the color and I moved on to the leaf part. Actually this design is like half of the face of the girl is covered with leaves and flowers. So I switched the color to green and I'm drawing the leaves here. The first coat of leaves are done, so I'm moving on with the flower. The flower color I chose was like a pinkish color, but that pink color was literally not showing on the black. So later on I switched the pink to red. So once you have decided your design, you can play around with colors, anything you can do, but basically the main thing what we are focusing on is the small details. So the face is almost done. Once it is done, I let it completely dry, and once it is dried, I switch to the other part and I draw the same leaves and some flowers, and I wanted some quotes to be written on it. I chose 3 words quotes, that is smile, sparkle and shine. Just a little bit of final touch-ups to finish this thing off. That's it guys. Once the painting is done, let this completely dry and it will be ready for use. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like, don't forget to press that like button. Also don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. My handle ID is Dazzling Lotus. Links will be there in the description box. So I'm taking a leave until we meet next time. This is Shamsiani signing off. Bye bye. Take care.